What's up everyone? Welcome to part 2 of our Carolina Vacay travel vlog. Hope you enjoyed part 1. And yeah, we just did a few things the remainder of our time here in Charlotte. One of the main reasons we came also is to celebrate my niece's birthday. Pretty exciting. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And like, this is my first time doing a travel vlog, and hope to do more as we plan more travels. But yeah, we'll go on the video. Thank you.
So they make the turkey here fresh. Hot pole. And that is an awesome sandwich for Bobby. Oh. Capriotti is so good. Just since they're not in Orlando. The closest one to us is in like Spring Hill near Clearwater. But every time we come to South Carolina, we always go. There you got the large Bobby. Let's open this up. There's the Bobby. Turkey, stuffing, cranberry in here. Oh my god. You want me to cut you how big? Here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. She got it. Let her have some. I already put some on here.
Large is really big, so couldn't finish it, so it's not that bad.
Oh, that little thing came on then.
This is long. So these are like all Amazon stuff, returns or whatever, overstock, and you just go through here and see what you can find depending on the day. Saturday's like $6, everything's $6, whatever, $4 for Saturday. Today, Friday, everything is $8. And I scored Ninja Turtles, and I'm getting them. I love the Ninja Turtles, so I'm buying 2 of them. What'd you see? Capacitor. Looks like a compression checker with missing fittings and stuff. More Ninja Turtles. On a diffuser, $8. Taking it. I don't know what this is. Oh, I'm a gift. Forehead wrinkle patches. Anti-snoring straps. And Capriotti.
I found your art set.
Oh, that's so pretty, Michael. You can get all those pastel colors.
Be quiet, Kyle.
Having lunch at Doan's? Probably saying it wrong. So we're going to this place, and of course I see this Montero first gen. Oh man, that thing's nice. That's a pretty crazy bumper, but man, that thing's nice.
Exactly one turn of the hourglass would cover.
Push on it. Oh. Oh my god. No. Poison apple. Okay, here. Tell. seriously thought you were trying to. See, Dad agrees with me.
What?
Lunch.
Oh, dear. Oh. Yeah, but it's something.
Ah!
Make it dirty. She rubbed it on her dress.
Good. Slow down. There you go.
Use the bike for work.
Oh, jeez.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wait, is this even possible?
Pokemon's are $1 card. Coming.
Oh, nice Star Quest.
Well, see what you can do to make yourself a.
It's been a while since we've been to a flea market. Pretty cool stuff, but it was a good experience.
It's a good question. Yeah, let's grab that one. We'll get that one.
Anything that bad fries so far.
well, that wraps up our vlog travels to the Carolinas. Appreciate you guys watching it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, if you are in the Carolinas and you have some other recommendations for us to places to visit in or around the area in Charlotte, definitely leave a comment below. Very interested to see what you guys recommend as when we go up there again. Just some new places to visit. But yeah, we enjoyed our time. We always do, and look forward to going up there again. But yeah, make sure to feel free to subscribe to our channel. Gonna try to vlog more of our trips and travels, along with our regular adventures that we normally do with the rig and going off-road, camping, all that good stuff. So yeah, again, I appreciate you guys. Look forward to the next video. Stay safe, be safe. See you then.